Have you ever stopped to wonder where those irresistibly chewy, colorful lollies that brighten up parties and movie nights actually come from? What goes on behind the scenes before they end up in your hands, ready to be enjoyed? Welcome to Alan's Lolly Factory, a true icon of Australian confectionery, located just north of Melbourne. This is where the magic happens, and where some of the country's favorite sweets are born. Spanning an incredible 18,000 square meters, about the size of 3 football fields, this factory is a hive of activity. Every single day, it produces a jaw-dropping 14 million lollies. That's enough for every person in a city the size of Sydney to have one every day. Over the course of a year, the numbers become even more mind-boggling. The factory churns out more than 19,000 tons of lollies. Imagine a mountain of sweets weighing as much as 3,000 elephants. It's a scale that's hard to picture, but it shows just how much Australians love their lollies. From the outside, Alan's looks like any other industrial facility, unassuming and practical. But step inside, and you'll discover a world filled with gleaming stainless steel, endless conveyor belts, and a symphony of machines working in perfect harmony. It's a place where the air is sweet and the energy is electric. Every stage of the process, from pouring in the raw ingredients to carefully packaging the finished lollies, is meticulously planned and executed. Teams of skilled workers and engineers ensure that each batch meets the highest standards of quality and taste. What makes Alan's truly special is its unique blend of tradition and innovation. The factory combines time-honored candy-making techniques passed down through generations with the latest in food technology. This fusion allows them to create classic favorites while also experimenting with new flavors and shapes, keeping Australia's sweet tooth satisfied on a massive scale. The journey of a lolly begins long before it takes its final shape. It starts with the careful selection and delivery of raw ingredients, like sugar, glucose syrup, and natural flavors, which are then expertly blended to create the perfect base for every sweet treat that leaves the factory floor. What does it take to make 14 million lollies a day? Behind every sweet treat is a world of science, precision, and carefully chosen ingredients. In a factory this size, every step is scaled up to an astonishing level, and the process begins long before the first lolly is even shaped. It all starts with 2 key ingredients: liquid sugar and glucose. These aren't just any sugars, they're specially refined for consistency and purity, ensuring every batch meets strict quality standards. Liquid sugar is the backbone of the recipe, providing the essential sweetness that defines a lolly. Delivered daily by tanker, liquid sugar is pumped in at a ton per minute, filling silos that hold 100 tons, just enough for a day and a half. The sheer scale is staggering. These silos are constantly monitored to ensure the supply never runs out, and the sugar remains at the perfect temperature and consistency for production. Sugar brings the sweetness. Glucose gives that signature juicy, chewy texture and prevents crystallization. Glucose syrup is what keeps the lollies soft and pliable, stopping them from turning hard or gritty over time. Without glucose, the candy would lose its iconic chew and become brittle. But there's more. Starch and gelatin are added for body and chewiness. Starch thickens the mix, acting as a stabilizer that helps the lollies hold their shape. It's carefully measured to ensure the right consistency, so each lolly is firm, but not tough. While gelatin forms the stretchy, firm texture we love, it's what gives the lolly its bounce and satisfying bite. The gelatin must be dissolved at just the right temperature to activate its gelling power, and even a small variation can change the final product's texture. The balance of these 4 ingredients is a precise science, refined over years. Too much sugar? The result is grainy and unpleasant. Too little, and the lolly lacks sweetness. Every measurement is double-checked by food scientists, who use both traditional methods and modern technology to guarantee accuracy. Not enough glucose? No chew. The texture becomes hard and the lolly loses its appeal. The right amount of glucose ensures that each bite is soft, yielding, and deliciously chewy, just as it should be. The ratio of starch to gelatin determines firmness and elasticity. A little more starch, and the lolly is firmer. A touch more gelatin, and it's stretchier. This delicate balance is constantly tested and adjusted, with quality control teams sampling every batch to make sure the texture is just right. Every batch is a carefully controlled chemical reaction ensuring consistency. The ingredients are heated, mixed, and cooled in a precise sequence, with automated systems tracking every variable. Even the humidity and temperature of the factory are monitored, because small changes can affect the outcome. This is the foundation for every lolly that leaves the factory, from the first drop of liquid sugar to the final, wrapped sweet. It's a process built on science, skill, and a passion for creating the perfect treat, one that millions enjoy every single day. With the core ingredients ready and measured to perfection, the process of creating the lolly base begins in earnest. In the heart of the factory, massive stainless steel vats stand ready, their interiors heated to just the right temperature. Here, the magic starts as workers carefully pour in the foundational ingredients, ensuring every batch starts with the same level of quality and consistency. The first step is combining liquid sugar and glucose syrup. These two ingredients are the backbone of every lolly, providing sweetness and that signature chewy texture. As they blend together, they form a clear, viscous syrup, a blank canvas that will soon be transformed into a rainbow of flavors and shapes. The syrup's clarity and shine are a testament to the purity of the ingredients and the precision of the process. Next, starch and gelatine are added with meticulous care. These ingredients are crucial. They give the lolly its structure and signature chewiness. The mixture thickens as the powders dissolve, turning the syrup into a dense, elastic base. This transformation is carefully monitored, as the right texture is essential for the perfect lolly. Throughout the process, advanced computers and skilled technicians keep a close eye on every detail. Temperature, mixing speed, and ingredient ratios are all tracked in real time. This ensures that each batch meets strict quality standards, and that the texture and consistency remain flawless from start to finish. Now comes the moment where the base comes alive. Flavorings, vibrant food colorings, and a touch of acid are injected into the thick syrup. Automated dosing systems add these ingredients with pinpoint accuracy, allowing for endless combinations of taste and color. This is where each lolly gets its unique personality. The acid, often citric acid, is a small but vital addition. It brightens fruit flavors, balances the sweetness, and gives the finished lolly that irresistible tangy kick. Even a tiny amount can make a big difference, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. Multiple dosing lines run simultaneously, each carrying a different color or flavor. This allows the factory to create a dazzling array of lollies in a single production run. From classic cherry red to electric blue raspberry, the possibilities are nearly endless, and the visual spectacle is as impressive as the taste. After all the ingredients are blended, the result is a perfectly mixed, glossy candy base. It's smooth, uniform, and ready for the next stage, shaping and forming. This base is the foundation for every lolly, ensuring each one is as delicious as the last. From this single, carefully crafted syrup, a whole spectrum of sweets is born. Each lolly starts its journey here, in the mixing vats, before being transformed into the colorful treats we all know and love. Think red means strawberry and green means lime, not at Allen's. Here, colors and flavors are playfully mismatched. Green snakes taste like lemon, orange is apricot, and purple is blackcurrant. Pineapple lollies are clear, not yellow. This quirky tradition keeps fans guessing and adds fun to every bite. Flavors and colors are potent, stable compounds injected with scientific precision. Consistency is key. Millions of lollies, all perfectly flavored and colored, and red. It's the perennial favorite, always the first picked from the bag. The factory produces more red lollies than any other color to meet demand. Now, the lolly slurry needs its iconic shape. Enter the starch mogul, a machine using a method dating back to 1899. Trays filled with fine cornstarch are pressed with molds, creating detailed impressions. The starch acts as both mold and moisture absorber, starting the drying process. Nozzles deposit precise amounts of slurry into each mold at lightning speed. Every lolly is identical in size and weight. Trays are stacked and moved to the next phase, drying. This century-old technique remains the industry standard for jelly sweets. It's efficient, flexible, and ingenious. The lollies now rest, ready for their transformation in the drying rooms. The filled trays head to one of 22 drying rooms. No ovens here, just carefully controlled air. Over 24 hours, the starch absorbs moisture from the lollies, drying them gently and evenly. This slow process is crucial for that perfect chewy texture. Rushing would ruin the batch. Patience is key. Technicians monitor temperature, airflow, and humidity, making tiny adjustments for consistency. As the gelatin and starch set, the lollies become firm, yet stretchy. After a full day, the trays return to the mogul line. The lollies now hold their shape, ready to be separated from the starch. The wait pays off. Each lolly is perfectly chewy and flavorful. After drying, the lollies are separated from the starch on vibrating sieves. The starch is cleaned and recycled for the next batch, a closed-loop system. The lollies, though tasty, look dull and dusty. Enter the glazer, a giant rotating drum where lollies are tumbled and lightly sprayed with edible oil. This gives them their glossy sheen and prevents sticking. Shiny and beautiful, the lollies travel down conveyor belts for final checks. Sophisticated weighers portion them into bags with lightning speed. Sealed, boxed, and ready for stores, the lollies are now retail ready. Quality control is everywhere. Samples are tested at every stage. Stretch tests ensure the perfect chew. Too much or too little elasticity means a batch is off. The red lollies color once came from carminic acid, a dye made from cochineal insects. While alternatives are used today, the tradition is centuries old. Red remains the most popular lolly, a trend seen worldwide. Psychologists think it's because red signals ripe fruit and sweetness. The factory produces extra red lollies to meet demand. Final packaging is a marvel. Multi-head weighers fill hundreds of bags per minute with pinpoint accuracy. It's the perfect blend of old-world technique and modern automation. Every bag is a testament to precision and tradition. From sugar silos to shiny packaged sweets, the journey of a lolly is a marvel of science and engineering. Old-world starch moguls work alongside high-tech systems to create 14 million moments of joy daily. Each lolly is mixed, shaped, dried, polished, and packed with meticulous care. The quirky flavors, ingenious molds, and consistent quality are a testament to the factory's skill. But remember, lollies are a treat, not an everyday food. Enjoy them as a special indulgence, savoring the journey behind every bite. Next time you open a bag, marvel at the magic, and enjoy every chewy, sweet moment.